Ako katuwa ko, sabi na guys. Wala rin.
U Menteri Rang Ba Kajala ukonat ke sangma hene ka sngi ka atari ujelia ula phongda ki PPE banlet jingo yakinong pang covid khat khandai hatura civil hospital habakran bakatu kat ni kla pathai khubor harin jingne jingo ka jong u yaki papang covid ukonat sangma ula pampau bakalong ka be ban phong PPE wat kang khat san minute ru bat kumta ula ai khuble yakinong trei hakjaka sumar ka blak trishdom met bat mansiem ban yakhun prasha yakane ka khlam covid.
I've just completed the round of the COVID wards and just come out of my PPE kit, and in this 15 minutes, 20 minutes when I was there, I managed to meet most of the patients and give them the assurance that we will do everything we can from our side, and the doctors are doing a lot. They're working very hard, and in this 20 minutes itself you can see how difficult it is, the kind of conditions where the doctors and nurses have to work under. And I did it only for 20 minutes and they do it every day. So it's something that we must all appreciate, and we must realize that we have to take care of ourselves, and if we don't take care of ourselves, then there's more pressure and more risks to the doctors. So therefore, once again I request every citizen that follow the protocols and make sure that you're safe, so that we can be a part of this entire fight against COVID and reduce the stress on the doctors and on the medical fraternity. Thank you.